And a good morning to you folks. Beginning of day 3. My Sturgis motorcycle rally trip. Just got up. It's about 8 a.m. right now. Beautiful, beautiful morning. We're at Badlands National Park, Cedar Pass Campground. I'm having a little bite to eat for breakfast. And when I say a little bite to eat, it is a little bite to eat. Got these Nutri-Grain bars here. And I have my water bottle, and I use these flavored stuff in there. I have the strawberry watermelon in there right now. I have another bottle in my tent that I have. So I have 2 bottles every day that I have available. So that's what we got going on today. We're going to be packing up today and going to be heading to Sturgis. And I'll be there for the duration of the trip. Once I get camp, it'll be nice when once I get camp set up, I'll get settled in, I'll get my cooler out, get all my food and stuff, and then I'll be set. But I'm gonna take a bite to eat now and talk to you a little bit. Okay, and here I am. The bike is warming up and I'm all packed up to go. One last look around the campsite here. Been here 2 nights. My tent was right there. Heading to Sturgis this morning from here. Let's go take a look up this little hill here one last time before heading out. Look, overlooking the campground there. Cedar Pass Campground. It really is a nice campground. And they do have showers here. That's over there in the other section over there. You just walk over there if you want a shower. And of course the bathrooms are right there too. So, and that's the road that goes out. It goes out to Interior. And I get onto Highway 44, go towards Rapid City. And there's the entrance station there for the park. And there we go. The view from my campsite. And so I'm gonna head to Sturgis now, and we'll pick up probably, the next clip will probably be in Sturgis. So let's see. See you in a little bit for you. Okay, well, here we are. It's been I've done a lot of things since this clip from this morning. I was gonna do some more filming, as I was doing this stuff. I came here, I rode straight to the campground here, and I got my wristband and got my tent set up, my camp set up. Then I ran into town. Of course, I filled up on gas too, and then I ran into town. I ate at McDonald's. A quick meal there, and then I went to the grocery store, the Dakota Mart in Sturgis there, and stocked up on all my groceries. I got back here, got everything organized, got all the cold stuff in the cooler and the trailer, I keep all my food in the trailer there. That's where I got all that. So finally, I'm all settled in now. I won't be hooking up the trailer now until we're heading home. And that's, I think, 11 days, maybe. 10, 11, 12 days, maybe even, yeah, something like that. But anyways, depending on when I head back. I haven't decided yet, but I'm here for the long haul. But here's a quick look around of the campground here. Someone just rode in there. And I'm right next to the edge here, and there's a pasture here. And we got cows as my neighbors. Yep, okay. So my plan now is I plan on just doing a ride through Spearfish Canyon. I'm not planning on doing any stops this time. I'm not sure, maybe I will. I don't know, but I haven't made anything for, maybe I will. I think I'll pack up, make some sandwiches, and yeah, then I will stop at at the picnic area there. So I think that's about it for this clip right now, and if I do stop at the picnic area, if I remember, I'll do a little video clip from there. Wow, look at the birds flying. Okay, so see ya in the next clip. Okay, I'm back at camp. When I did the Spearfish Canyon ride, I said I changed my mind about stopping. I just rode straight through and came back to camp, and I'm gonna eat here instead of at a picnic table along the road there. So then I'm gonna shower tonight. That's for sure. I really need that. So that's what I'm going to do for the rest of the day. This is going to wrap up today's video. And new day tomorrow. I'm not sure what I'm going to do tomorrow yet. I'm thinking about going to Rapid City. Downtown there, they have the statues of the presidents or something. So apparently it's free. You can just walk. They're right along the road there, so we're on the sidewalk. So I may go there tomorrow and just see what that is like. And I'll just pretty much tomorrow play it by ear, and we'll see what happens. And see you tomorrow.